Hey there, we're the folks from Jurnee Mechanical, and we wanted to pull back the curtain a little bit and show you who we are, what we're all about, and really how we keep our neighbors right here in Central Texas comfortable. So, let's jump right in.
You know, there's a pretty good chance you've seen one of our vans driving around. We're on the road every single day, heading out to help our neighbors in Hutto, Round Rock, and pretty much all over Central Texas. And for us, being a part of this community, well, it means everything. We're always ready to roll when someone needs a hand.
Okay, let's be real for a second. We've all been there, right? It's one of those scorching Texas days, and then silence. The AC just gives out. That sinking feeling hits, and the big question is always, who can I call right now that I can actually trust? You just want someone who will fix it right and not take you for a ride.
And you know, that one word, trust, that's the whole reason we're even here. It's the foundation of everything we do. See, for us, it's not just about fixing a machine. It's about building relationships. And our entire service is built on a promise we make to every single person we help.
So what's that promise? Well, for starters, we're a family-owned and operated business. We're not some giant, faceless corporation where you're just another work order. Nope, we're your neighbors. We live here. And when you call, you're talking to someone right here in Central Texas.
And this next one, this is a huge deal for us. We promise no pushy upsells, ever. Our whole approach is just different. We listen to what's going on, figure out the real problem, and then we lay out all your options plain and simple. The decision is 100% yours, no pressure, no tactics, just honest advice.
We're also all about straight talk on pricing. It's just the right way to do business, you know? The price we tell you is the price you pay, period. No weird surprises or hidden fees tacked on at the end. It's something our customers really appreciate, and honestly, it's just how we'd want to be treated.
So when you put it all together, what really sets us apart? It's pretty simple, actually. We treat your home like it's our own, with respect. We're really rooted in this community, so our work has to last. We're not about those quick, cheap fixes. Plus, we're always looking for energy-efficient solutions that can actually save you money. And of course, if you have an emergency, we're there 24/7, because things never break at a convenient time, do they?
And when we say we're rooted in the community, we really mean it. It's not just something we say. We're super proud to be members of both the Hutto area and the Round Rock Chambers of Commerce. We're invested here. We care about what happens to our neighbors, because hey, this is our home too.
And look, we stand behind our work 100%. Our satisfaction guarantee is about as simple as it gets. If something isn't right, you call us and we come back and make it right. No questions asked. That's just our commitment to doing good work.
Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty of how we keep you comfortable. We've got a whole range of services, and really, there's a solution for pretty much every home and business out there.
And we really do mean every kind. It doesn't matter if you've got a standard AC unit at your house or a massive, complex system on the roof of a commercial building, our team has the training and the experience to handle it all.
It basically boils down to three main things we do. First, there's repair and maintenance. So if something breaks, we're there 24/7. Or if you just want a tune-up to prevent problems, we do that too. Then there's new installations. This is for when you're ready to upgrade to a more energy-efficient AC, a new furnace, you name it. And finally, for our local businesses, we have a dedicated commercial HVAC team that handles the big stuff. Rooftop units, refrigeration, all of it.
You know, anyone can put a Band-Aid on a problem, but our whole philosophy is different. We don't just treat the symptom, we find the disease. Our techs run full system diagnostics to find the real root cause of the issue. That way, we're not just kicking the can down the road. We're actually solving the problem for good.
And our process is always the same, because it just works. Step one is the most important. We actually listen to you. You know your home best. After that, we do our homework, the full diagnostic. Then we sit down with you and explain in plain English what's going on and what your options are. And that leads to the final step, where you are in the driver's seat. You decide what's best for you. It's that simple.
And because we're so confident in finding that root cause, we back up our work. Every single repair we do comes with a 180-day warranty. It's just another way for us to show you that we stand behind what we do and give you some real peace of mind.
All right, so I've been talking a lot about what we believe in, but you know what? Don't just take my word for it. I think the best way to really get a feel for what we're about is to hear from some of the folks we've helped.
Take William, for example. He said we are professional and straightforward, and honestly, that just means the world to us. When your AC is out, the last thing you want is someone confusing you with a bunch of technical talk.
We just want to be clear and honest, so we're so happy that's how he felt.
Or how about this one from Valerie? Came right out on a Sunday. I love seeing this because it's exactly what we mean when we say we're here for you. Problems don't care what day of the week it is, and neither do we. If you need us, we're coming.
And here's another one from Hala, talking about our quick response. It's a recurring theme, and that's on purpose. We know that when you call, it's urgent. Every minute feels like an hour when you're uncomfortable in your own home, so getting there fast is a huge priority for our whole team.
So if any of this sounds like what you're looking for, we'd love to chat. Whether you have a problem right now or just have a question, we're here and ready to help. And just to say it one more time, please remember that we're here 24/7. Your AC doesn't care if it's 2 a.m. on a holiday, so we don't either. Our team is always on standby for those emergency calls. There's our number right there on the screen. Go ahead and save it in your phone. Give us a call if you need to schedule something, if you want a quote, or seriously, even if you just have a question. We're always happy to help out.
So we'll just leave you with this one last thought. When it comes to something as important as your family's comfort, isn't it time you had a go-to HVAC partner that you could really, truly trust? We hope we can be that team for you. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen.